Dear students, you must know that we have started coordinate geometry for class 10. This is for ICSE second semester. Previously, we have already done a full trigonometry, also the mensuration. Now you can get all the problems solved from this coordinate geometry. I think you will follow my classes. The exams are not so far, so you must follow my classes regularly. I am trying to give you all the problems solved. The first problem today we have done that P is a point on the line joining A 4, 3 and B minus 2, 6 such that 5 AP equal to twice BP. Find the coordinates of P. As because the space is so much little, that's why I could not draw the figure. Anyway, you can easily draw the figure. And now the solution, since it is given that 5 AP equal to 2 BP, that is 5 AP equal to 2 BP, therefore AP by BP equal to 2 by 5, that is P divides the line in the ratio 2:5. In the previous class we have given the formula, section formula. Here M equal to 2, M1 and M2 equal to 5, and the coordinates P will be like this: M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, and this is y coordinate, that is M1 y2 plus M2 y1 by M1 plus M2. Here M1 equal to 2 and M2 equal to 5, and x1 is 4, y1 is 3, x2 is minus 2 and y2 is 6. Putting the value of M1, M2, x2, x1 and M1, M2 and y2, y1, we will get this type of two contents. Now 2 2s are 4, 5 4s are 20 by 7, and it is 2 6 are 12 and 5 3s are 15. So it is 16 by 7, because 20 minus 4 equal to 16 by 7, and this is 27 by 7. So the point that divides the line joining 4, 3 and 2, 6, A and B, and the coordinates are like this. Second question, calculate the ratio in which the line joining the points minus 3, 1 and 5, 7 is divided by the line x equal to 2. Also find the coordinate of the point of intersection. This is a very long question. At first we'll find out the ratio. The coordinates of every point on the line x equal to 2 will be of the type 2, 1, 2y. A value of x will be 2 and the value of y will be different. Now you must know that the formula is like this, and here we don't know the ratio, so we will take it as M1 and M2. Now M1 x2 plus M2 x1 by M1 plus M2, here x equal to 2, x equal to 2, because the line is x equal to 2. So 2x is the value of x equal to 2 into M1, 5 M1 minus 3 M2. Why it is 3? X value of, this is x1 y1, this is y x2 y2, this is 5 is the x2 and this is x1, and m1 m2 we don't know, and you will get a equation like this, and at last we will find that m1 is to m2 equal to 5 is to 3, because 2 into m1 plus m2 equal to m2 m1 plus 2 m2, and this is 5 m1 3 m2, and taking m1 m2 and m2 on different sides, you will get this type of m1 by m2 equal to 5 by 3, that is m1 is to m2 equal to 5 is to 3. Therefore the required ratio is equal to 5 is to 3. Then the point of intersection, it is x will be 2, because the equation of the straight line is 2. So x equal to 2 and y will be m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. This is m1 and m2. So it will be m1 is 5 into y2 7 and m2 3 and y1 is minus 1. This is minus 1 and y2 is 7. Putting the value of x1, y1 and y2, we will get the point of intersection like this way, and value of m1 and m2 is m5 plus 3. So this is 35, 5 7s are 35 minus 3 by 8, that is 32 by 8. Therefore the point of intersection is 2 and 4. This is the required point of intersection. This is the point of intersection 2 4 P. Next question, in the given figure, this is also from book Selina. In the given figure, line APB meets x-axis at point A, and y-axis at point B. P is the point minus 4 2. P is the point, this is minus 4 2, and AP is to PB equal to 1 is to 2. AP is to PB equal to 1 is to 2. Find the coordinate of A and B. We have to find out the coordinate of A and B. It's very easy question and very short question. Let the coordinates of A be x0, because it is on the x-axis, so there will be value of x, but at point A value of x will be there, but as because it is on the x-axis, value of y will be 0. The y coordinate will be 0. Similarly, at B the value of x will be 0, but y have a particular value, and on the y-axis like this, and B will be 0 y on the y-axis. Therefore this is P is the point 4, so minus 4, this is minus 4. Minus 4 equal to 1 into 0 plus 2 into x by 1 plus 2, because m1 is 1 and m2 is PB, that is 2. So 1 plus 2, that is 2x by, this is 2 by 3, not x. X is the coordinate. X is the coordinate, not 2x, it is x. X is the coordinate. Here x-axis, x, 2 by 3, and therefore x equal to, it is x. Therefore x equal to 4 3s are 3 4s are 12, 12 minus 12 by 2, that is minus 6. And again the other is 2, y equal to 2, therefore it will be 2 equal to 1 into y plus 2 into 0, because the value of y has, it is 0, and this is y plus 2 into 0 0, by 1 plus 2 equal to 3, therefore y by 3 equal to 2, therefore y equal to 3 into 2, that is 6. Therefore the coordinate of A is 6 0, and that of B will be 0 6. That of B will be 0 6. So we have got the coordinate of the point P, coordinate of A and B, coordinate of A and B. This is coordinate of A and this is coordinate of B, coordinate of A and coordinate of B. This is all about 3 problems. Next we will give you the rest problems. Thank you. This much today. Try to follow my classes regularly. That's all.